Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 200 Rand every day in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our newest video. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Today we're going to be looking at a fan favorite website called R200. It is a very frequent website that a lot of people love because of the credibility that it has. As it says here, earn free gift cards and cash. We've paid our members 142,804,366.3738 in cash. The numbers just keep increasing over and over. As it says here, brands pay us for consumer input, so we recruit members like you. When you do activities on R200, you earn free gift cards and cash. Joining is very simple and sign up is free. Start earning now. But before you click on the get started button, let me do what I do all the time and run you through the process and the website and how it works. As it says here, as seen on Yahoo, CNN, these are the different websites they kind of vouch for R200. As it says here, by how R200 works, it says here we give away thousands of dollars for free every day. Join R200. Score free gift cards and cash just by completing everyday tasks. Earn points. Share your opinions, play the hardest games, and watch entertaining videos. Everything that you can do to earn points. And you can choose rewards. Get paid how you want. We send our rewards weekly. Select from the biggest brands online today, like Amazon or PayPal. So if you're getting tired of using PayPal, you can also use Amazon and different gift cards. This is just says what's new at R200. You can watch a video on what it says. As it says here, by the budget friendly healthy grocery shopping. Eating healthy is becoming a way of life for more and more people, but this can definitely be hard to do when you are short on time or money. With limited time, it seems easier to just grab some takeout, which is usually not the healthiest option. So this is just pretty much a quick rundown of R200 sponsored points. You don't really need to focus on that. All you need to do is go to the top and click on get started. So how you make money is pretty much like all of these websites. You do surveys, watch videos. So just click on get started and you'll get on this page. It'll pretty much give you information where you need to add your personal details. You could also sign in with Facebook if you happen to have a Facebook account. If you don't, then you can just start out an account. Make sure to use your right email and the correct PayPal details, as I say in every single video. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. The giveaway is happening in about 3 days. It is happening at the end of the week. Make sure to keep commenting and liking so you have a chance and you have a spot, and you might actually win the giveaway, be one of 3 people who get lucky. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Peace.